Today we will learn that how to access the list elements in Python. So let's begin. This is my spider ID, and first of all I am declaring a list. Okay, so list equal to, I am adding some elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have added 6 elements. Okay, and indexing of the list element starts with 0. Okay, so if I want to access the 1, I need to write print list 0. Okay, now if I run this code, I have 1 in the output. That means the 0 index is occupied by 1. Okay, now I will access the 5. To access 5, I need to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I write 4 and run the code, I have 5 here. Okay, now let's see how to access elements in nested loop. Okay, so I am creating a nested loop here. My first element is 1, 2. My second element is 2, 3. My third element is 3, 4, and my fourth element is 4, 5. Okay, so now if I want to access the first element, I need to write 0. Now if I run the code, I have the first element. Now suppose I want to access this 4 which is available in the third element. So what I have to write? First of all, I need to access the third element. To do that, I need to write here 2, because this is in index 2, 0, 1 and 2. Now I will access the 4 which is inside the third element. To do that, I need to write here the index of the 4. So what is the index of the 4? 3 has the index of 0 and index of 4 is 1. Okay, so if I write here 1 and run the code, you can see that I have 4 here. Okay, so that's how we can access the elements inside nested loop. So let's see an example of a deeply nested list. Okay, so I am declaring a deeply nested list here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I want to access this 4. So my first element is 1 and my second element is 2, 3, 4. Okay, so first of all I need to access this element. To do that, I need to write here 1. Now we are in this element. Now we can see that in this element, my first element is 2 and my second element is 3, 4. Okay, so now I have to access this element. To do this, I need to write here another 1. Okay, now we are inside this element. Now I have to access this 4. Okay, so here my first element is 3 and my second element is 4. Okay, so I need to write here another 1. Now we are here. Now we can see that in this list we have only one element, which is 4, and that means the 4 is at 0 index. Now to access 4, I need to write here another 0. Okay, now if I run the code, it gives me an output of 4, and all these lines are coming because I have written these things inside my code. So to comment this out, I need to write some hashtag, more hashtags, hashtag and another hashtag. Okay, now if I run the code again, yes, I have 4 here. Okay, so that's how we can access the elements in normal list, in nested list, or in deeply nested list. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.